Hi guys, it's Nigel, 𝘀𝗵𝗶 Estate Agents, and I hope you're well. I want to just delay today's August market comment because we just wanted to wait for the Bank of England, and yes, they've reduced now to 4%, and that's marking a fourth cut this year, which is its lowest level actually for 2 years. The Bank of England revised their economic growth forecast in 2025 with a 1.25% expansion, slightly up from their earlier estimate. Now the impact of this rate cut, I should say, will be felt across the financial landscape. As we know, it's going to potentially ease borrowing costs, which are important for mortgages and loans, while simultaneously, though, reducing returns for savers. Now, I think this decision is broadly a positive one for the Melksham property market. You've got lower borrowing costs, which will improve affordability, providing confidence and a boost for homeowners, especially those first-time buyers out there, guys, really important that. And for those looking to remortgage as well. The stats for the sales, they're up by about 7.5% year on from last year. And while sentiment may improve, the immediate effect on mortgage rates is expected to be gradual. I think the lenders will respond cautiously to that with the new environment. And then if we look ahead, depending on the broader economic stability, especially on inflation, that will remain a key factor, I think. The big thing I've seen in this market still, and call me an old git, but my job is to look out for those potholes for you, is price reductions. I'm still seeing overvaluations, and yet it's madness because, if you put for every property that went on the market last year, only 54% made it to completion. Lock and key stats are proven to be far better than that. So if I take on a property, we're way above the industry normal. We're way above that 54%. So we sit very proudly with that as well. There's only a handful of people in the country that could actually be the stats that we've got. So that gives confidence for our sellers. But I don't want my clients to lose money. I don't want to have half of my stock being reduced. I just don't see the point. So beware of the higher valuing agent and let them get it on point for you and show you all the proof that's needed with comparables, with buyers that they've got. You're going to need to do a bit more homework, because if you do start to reduce, if you reduce your property once, on average it's going to be reduced 3 times, and what was the point of that in the first place? Now look, I think we've got 2.5 months left of this year. I think Rachel Reeves is going to come out with a begging bowl late October, so we've got August, September and into October. We naturally see the market plateauing down for Christmas. We might even see another rate reduced this year, so there might be another reduction just one more time. So there's a little bit of market left. If you've got any questions, it's Nigel at 𝘀𝗵𝗶. I hope you've enjoyed my market update, and I'll speak to you soon.